in fact, Samiksha, the opposition has said that it would raise the issue in the parliament, and it has been going hammer and tongue against the centre, seeking answers on the irregularities in NEET. It has been a raging issue. And I believe Soumya is joining us on the broadcast to give us more details of how the opposition now plans to take on the centre on it. Well, as far as what has been happening in the parliament, Soumya, the entire country has been witnessing, and the opposition has been going hammer and tongs against the centre over NEET. The centre also having committed and assured that, they would not spare the perpetrators. How is the opposition taking this forward?
Yes, Suyesha, it all started yesterday when a meeting was called at Kharge's residence of all the Indy bloc members at 5 p.m. It was there at his residence that it was decided that this issue will be raised by opposition members in the parliament. However, post the meeting, DMK MP T. Siva said that several notices will be issued today inside the parliament on the NEET issue, as well as several reports have also suggested that ND bloc members have also decided if the government decides not to respond on the NEET issue, they will hold a protest inside the parliament. However, if we talk about other developments in the national capital on this NEET issue, yesterday one more notice was issued to NTA on the NEET case, and the NTA has been asked to give a reply on this issue on July 8th when the case will be placed for hearing again. Other than that, two very major arrests have been made in this case by CBI in Patna. The accused are being named as Ashutosh Kumar and Manish Kumar. Back to you.
Oh yes, absolutely, and those are the two important arrests, Soumya, that have been made in Patna, but the nexus that is bigger than one can imagine, because it is not just the involvement of the corrupt mediators, but also teachers and principals who are now being questioned. It is a pan-India scam. The CBI is probing it, and they are getting to the depth of how the dots are really connected. Take a look at this report.
An FIR has been registered against the members of Congress's student wing, NSUI, after they breached the NTA headquarters in the national capital.
We are standing at the NTA headquarters where NSUI has been protesting for a long time. Here you can see, I'd like to request my Vijay to move forward and show you the visual of this NTA headquarters, where you can see the policemen are deployed over here. The NSUI officials and workers have arrived over here to raise their protest and raise their demands, and they have been constantly saying that we want a complete ban on the NTA. And apart from that, if you see what we have been seeing, that not only just in at this very place, apart from this very place, there were several protests being organized by the students wing, including ABVP and NSUI at different places in Delhi and CR as well.
Meanwhile, the Indy bloc leaders are expected to raise the NEET issue in the parliament today.
समूचा विपक्ष एकजुट है और मजबूती के साथ जो मुद्दे हैं देश के अंदर उनको लेके कल से विरोध चालू करेंगे। मुद्दा नीट का एक अहम मुद्दा है, अग्निवीर का अहम मुद्दा है, और जो मुद्दे चल रहे हैं महंगाई, बेरोजगारी, MSP खरीद, ये सारे अहम मुद्दे हैं जिनको लेके करेंगे हम।
These developments come even as CBI investigation on the NEET paper leak scam is picking pace. In Jharkhand's Hazaribagh, CBI detained an e-rickshaw driver who is accused of transporting NEET papers to SBI Bank in his vehicle. According to Bihar Economic Offences Unit, the paper allotted to Hazaribagh Center had reached Patna on the night of May 3rd.
सीबीआई की इन्वेस्टिगेशन एसबीआई बैंक में भी चल रही है। 3 तारीख को कैसे जो पेपर है वो एसबीआई के बैंक पहुंचा, उसके सीसीटीवी फुटेज को सीबीआई खंगाल रही है। प्रिंसिपल 3 तारीख को क्या एसबीआई बैंक पहुंचे थे उसको सीबीआई खंगाल रही है। तो हर तरीके से, चाहे वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स हो, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के तौर पर जो सबूत है वो सभी चीज़ें जुटाई जा रही है। हालांकि सीबीआई का कहना है कि इस पूरे मामले में जो भी साक्ष्य सामने आ रहे हैं उसको आधार बनाकर सीबीआई इस पूरे मामले का जो हजारीबाग कनेक्शन है उसको खंगालने में लगातार जुटी हुई है।
The CBI team has arrested 2 individuals from Patna. Ashutosh is accused of arranging safe house primacy for students, while Manish took these candidates to the school where they were given the question paper. It has also come to light that the main accused in the case, Sanjeev Mukhia, who is still absconding, had submitted a fake medical prescription. With fast-paced developments in the NEET paper leak probe, all eyes are on Parliament, where Dharmendra Pradhan is likely to address the issue today.